Welcome, here I've got LG G8s ThinQ and I'm gonna show you how to record the slow motion video at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right, to the end, to more. Here we have access to other modes of this camera. One of this is the slow motion, so let's pick it. And here we are. Now we can start recording this kind of video by using this big button at the center. We can also move here to the left to these buttons to decide if we want to have the part of our video in slow motion or all of it. So this is how to change it here. Now let me show you the part. When we start recording, we have the standard video, and to get access to the part of it we have to tap on this button from the left, and now the part is in the slow motion. So this is how it works here. And now let's move it to all the video in slow motion, and let me start recording to show you how it looks like. And let's stop by tapping again on this button to see the video. Let's move here to the left. Here we get quick access to the gallery, and this is how the slow motion video looks like at this device. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.